Grab an ice cube tray and a measuring cup. Pour half a cup of fabric softener into your measuring cup. Don't skip this part, it's a key ingredient. Next, take a tube of toothpaste. You'll only need 1 big tablespoon, so squeeze it out and add it to the fabric softener. Now mix it all together until it's completely combined. Keep stirring until the mixture is smooth and evenly blended. Once that's done, start pouring the mixture into the ice cube tray, filling each compartment about 3/4 full. You don't need perfection here, just make sure every section gets a little bit of this magic potion. Now pop the tray into the freezer. So why are we freezing toothpaste and fabric softener? Bathrooms can be a constant struggle with limescale, unpleasant odors, and that stubborn mineral buildup in the toilet tank. Sound familiar? It's an issue for almost everyone. Those little frozen cubes you just made are the ultimate bathroom lifesaver. Once they're frozen solid, take 2 cubes and drop them right into your toilet tank. Let them work their magic. When you flush, these cubes release a fresh, clean aroma while tackling those nasty limescales and odors head on. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals, just a fresher, cleaner bathroom every time you flush.